So I have something special for you guys today. Everybody who loves to, look at or listen to great music, this is what I got from Massdrop today. I was already checking out the box because it was, going through customs, so I had to look at it first. I had to pay customs, by the way. German customs are very, very precise. I'm gonna go into the unboxing now for you guys, because this should be a special thing for everybody who loves good music. So, there we have it. The Massdrop Sennheiser HD6XX. Wow. I have both of them. I waited for you to have a look at this. I'm doing a one-hand opening here. Wow. The box is nice. So, let's see what we got inside. Let's see if I can open this really with one hand. Yes, there it is. Been waiting for this for a few months, so yeah, this is a delight. Yes. Oh, look at that box. It's nice. It's really nice. Let me just grab that and spin it around a bit more. That is a nice box. Look. It's got the real, it's got real clothing here. I think I'm gonna keep the box, to keep it in. Oh. I opened them the wrong way. Let's flip them. Ah, and there's also the Sennheiser logo. That makes a lot of sense. This makes much more sense. Because the other ones I have, they have the Sennheiser logo as well. And now we open them. Yes. There they are. 6XX. Gotta take them out. Yes. Looks nice. Just take them out of the whole box. Got a leaflet here, whatever that is, probably nothing interesting. Some pads, nicely formed case. Take this away, and yeah, look at them. They look pretty normal. Okay, so this is really like the midnight blue. I see it. Yeah. They look good. They look good. I like it. I bought the HD700 a few weeks ago, and they were really nice as well. But okay, we have the adapter for the long, for the big series, 5.25 I think, and the 3.5. So this is perfect for putting it into your iPhone or something like that. I'm gonna test that in a minute. Yeah, this was just the unboxing. I wanted to show you guys the unboxing. So yeah, it's got the velvet ear cuffs. It's got the, take the unpluggable cables. Nice soft pouch up here. I'm gonna do a review later and compare it to my other headphones because I have like 20 headphones, so makes a lot of sense. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and there's gonna be more videos about this.